Market update here on the 1st. I'm doing this a little bit early today because I think that this move is pretty much finished and it's just going to bounce around and then do max pain at the end of the day. There was about 300,000 plus at 395, 300,000 plus at 396. So most likely going to finish below there. Plus technical analysis and supply demand shows me that this has probably bottomed. Pretty much exactly what I said in the last video. ABC moved down here, hit the 1.61 fib here at 393.50. And so I'm looking for a bounce, and it should most likely will go all the way back up here to the start of wave B here at 401. So probably going to be some kind of 5-wave move here. Bounce, probably going to go up here. We have 1 hour supply right there. So I'm looking for ABC right up there. And then overall, I think that that should be the bottom right here, despite the fact that we went past it. And I think we're looking at something like that going forward, and that might take all the way till Opex. So March 17th, that's kind of what I'm expecting. And then we should get one more move down to potentially 380. And I would think somewhere maybe April Opex for that one. So yeah, this move should be pretty much finished, and we should be bouncing to 401 probably potentially by the end of the week. So we'll see if that pans out or not, but that seems like the best spot for it to land. Zooming out here. So we got, if this is A, B, we should get a C wave down here to 380. That would work out pretty much perfectly. Go right back into support here from the end of December, and then we could go and finish off this move. I'm thinking probably late May, early June. So it's going to be a while. People that have puts might get paid out right here at 380. And that's kind of where I'll be buying at. Apple, same thing. Bottom right here, hits demand, looking for a move up here to probably this 1 hour supply here at 149.18. I do have this marked right here. That is the 1.61 fib of the A wave. If it does come down there, it would hit the top of this perfectly. And I have an order down there too. I'm playing this for a bounce. Probably going to go up here to 149. So short bounce, but I would look for the same pattern to play out as SPY. So we get A, B, C, probably up here to like 152. Let's see. The dollar. So the dollar is, I think it started a second or a B wave here. It's already came down and made a B wave, but again, very short so far. This took literally 22 days. So I think this is going to play out into March Opex. We'll probably see some kind of lower low, maybe all the way down here to 103.34. So not really looking for much upside on that here anytime soon. Tesla. Tesla selling off a little bit. Most likely it is starting the final move down. Still see this as A, B. I think the final move down could just come down here to make a bottom here around 190 and be finished, or like 187. I don't see it going very much past that. And then it should see more upside, I think. We'll see though. Maybe this will be a more drawn out pattern because it doesn't make sense for it to go down if SPY is going to be bouncing. and QQQ is gonna be bouncing. So I'm kind of expecting it might bounce around even more. This might end up being something like this and then come back down here to 190 or something like that. But I don't see it going much lower than this, and it's probably going to have more upside here eventually. Let's look at QQQ. QQQ, same thing. I'm looking for a bounce. I already have it drawn out here. I'm looking for a bounce up here to probably 300 overall, but it's probably going to do something like, and then pull back and then go higher. And then I would look for a move down to probably maybe somewhere around 285 or so to complete this overall ABC move. So 300, yeah, maybe like 286, or no, actually 276, 290s right here. Is that right? Let's see. Yeah, 276 is actually more likely. So 276 is down here on the daily time frame, right into a demand zone. So pretty simple video. I don't see that much downside, but it is selling off right now. Let's look at the VIX though. Is the VIX going higher? VIX is not really moving that much. This is just pretty much most likely just algos trying to get more people to buy puts before reversing and going higher, in my opinion. So I would look for a finish above 395 most likely. If it does end up going lower, I'll make a video after the market closes, but this is pretty short and sweet. And yeah, that's what I see from now on. Hit the target, bounce back up here to 401, fall back, probably looking at 406 or so. I'll do Bitcoin, and then I'll be finished with the video. So Bitcoin is bouncing a little bit, most likely a B wave. Would look for a C wave down, maybe down here to this demand zone. And if that were to happen, I would probably be looking for something like that. Still, 19 to 20,000 is a target for this move down, and then it should get more upside. So that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button so this gets out to more people. And let me know if any other tickers you want in the comments. Any comments you have about the analysis, you like supply, demand, whatever you want to say, and I will talk to you tomorrow.